Good day. In this video, we are going to talk about integration by substitution using this problem. So we have the integral of x to the power of 5 times e raised to the power of 1 minus x to the power of 6 dx. So we have here solution. The first process we are going to apply is simply we are going to assign the value of u, or we are going to let u is equal to 1 minus x to the power of 6. So we have 1 minus x to the power of 6. You might get asking me about why is it that 1 minus x to the power of 6 is my u. Simply because if we are going to take the derivative of u, we have du, or derivative of u, we have, negative 6x to the power of 5 dx. We can easily eliminate x to the power of 5 because we have here x to the power of 5. So we can rewrite this one into this form. X to the power of 5 dx. So I think we are good enough to proceed here, and then we are going to, since we have x to the power of 5 dx here and x to the power of 5 dx here, we are going to multiply both sides by negative 1 or all over 6. So we have negative 1 all over 6 times negative 6 x to the power of 5 dx. Negative 1 over 6 we have here, and then close negative 6, and then copy x to the power of 5 dx. So we have negative times negative, that is positive. 6 times 1, 6 all over 6, that is 1. Again, 6 times 1, that is 6, and then divide by 6, that is 1. Since this is only 1, or the so let's just write here 1 x to the power of 5 dx. So negative 1 over 6 times du, negative 1 over 6 du, and then simply copy 1 over 6 du. So we can actually remove 1 here in our numerical coefficient, and then x to the power of 5 dx is equal to negative 1 all over 6 du. So I think we are good enough to proceed to integration. So we have here integral of e 1 minus x to the power of 6, that is u. 1 minus x to the power of 6, that is u. So we have u, and then x to the power of 5 dx, x to the power of 5 dx, that is x to the power of 5 dx is equal to negative 1 all over 6 du times negative 1 all over 6 du. So let's move forward. Let's pull out these constants in our integral symbol. So we have negative 1 all over 6, then copy, and copy, then copy. So perform the integration here, and then copy negative 1 all over 6, and then the integral of e to the power of u is e to the power of u plus c, because we are in integration. So our final answer will be 1 all over 6, negative 1 all over 6 e raised to the power of u. We are going to replace u by 1 minus x to the power of 6. 1 minus x to the power of 6 plus c. I think we are done with this problem, and I hope this helped your problem. And if you have any questions or concerns when it comes to my solution, please comment down your concern on the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.